Let me ask you something. When you look into a mirror, how do you see yourself? Does mirror makes another you inside it or something else happening? So in this video, we will uncover mystery of these while learning the reflection of light. Hello curious mind, welcome back to the Keef Academy where learning goes beyond books, beyond boundaries. In this particular video, we will cover only light reflection. First of all, we need to understand what is a light. Light is a form of energy. It travels in a straight line. Light makes things visible. We cannot see without light. Suppose you are in a dark room. You have a torch. When you switch on your torch, in front of a torch, every object becomes visible. Here comes a main idea. For example, suppose you have a rubber ball, you strike at a wall. What happens next? It bounces back. So light behaves in the same way. A ray of light strike on a shiny surface like mirror. It bounces back in the same medium. This bouncing back of light called reflection of light. What is a reflection of light? A definition. Reflection is the bouncing back of light from a surface, shiny surface like mirror, into the same medium. Okay. Now, the reflection of light is not random. It follows two rules called law of reflection. First rule says that this is the incident ray. When strike, they reflected this way, and the angle between incident ray and the normal. Normal is the perpendicular to the surface, and the angle between this is called incident angle, and this is called reflected angle, or angle of incidence, angle of reflection. So first rule says that angle of incident equal to the angle of reflection, and the second rule says that this incident ray and reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. In this video, we discussed so far what is a light, what is a reflection of light, and the two laws of reflection. What is a light? Light is a form of energy, and reflection of light is the bouncing back of light at any surface or shiny surface in the same medium. This is called reflection of light. And the two laws of reflection. First rule say that angle of incidence equal to the angle of reflection. This is the first rule, and the second rule is incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal lie in a same plane. I hope you all understand. If you have any query questions, so comment below. If you find this video helpful, like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Keef Academy. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Stay curious.